Hey guys, for today's makeup, I'm gonna start out with the Touch in Sol No Poreblem Primer to moisturize and prime my face. For foundation, I'm going to be using my all-time drugstore favorite foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me one, and I'm just going to be dabbing it all over my skin and then later blending it out with a beauty sponge. Moving on to brows, I'm taking the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and I'm following the shape of my arch to fill them in. I don't know why I look so aggressive when I'm brushing my brows, but don't be as aggressive as I did because I actually ended up making my eyebrows look really bushy and now it made me look like I have two squirrels on my face. Next up, we're moving on to the eyes, and I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Yogurt, which is just a simple, like pearly pinkish shade, and I'm just going to be using that as my eyeshadow base. For my next eyeshadow, I'm taking this Morphe palette, and with that gold color, I'm going to be sweeping it all over my eyelids. Using that same palette, I'm taking this reddish shade. I lost my train of thought, but I'm going to be taking that on the outer thirds of my eyelids and I'm just going to be blending it all together afterwards. Then I'm going to curl my lashes so I can prep them for mascara, and for the first one, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Faulties mascara as my base. This is a great volumizing mascara, so if you have very thin sparse lashes like I do, I definitely recommend you trying this. Then I'm taking the L'Oreal Telescopic, I said that really weirdly, the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and I'm going to be applying this to the tips of my eyelashes for extra length. Then I'm taking that same red eyeshadow that I used earlier and I'm going to be smudging it across my lower lash line. I'm skipping my wing eyeliner for this look, so I'm just going to take a creamy pencil liner and I'm going to be tight lining it on my upper lash line. Going into that Morphe palette one last time, I'm going in with the pinkish pearly shade and applying it on my inner corners for an extra brightening look. Now I'm going to be warming my face with the NYX Matte Bronzer, and I'm really bad at doing this. Like, my mom even asked me why I had dust all over my face last time, but I'm just going to be applying it on my jawline in the area around my temples. After, I'm going to move on to blush, and I have been using the Milani Luminoso one so many times in my videos, but I love the finish of it because it's so natural and soft. To add some glow back into my skin, I'm taking the L'Oreal Lumi Glow Sheet and I'm applying it on my high cheekbones. Okay, I don't really have high cheekbones, but that and my Cupid's bow. And to prevent myself looking too oily, I'm taking some powder and I'm applying it around the areas where I get the oiliest. For lipstick, I'm taking this L'Oreal 8 Hour Shine one, and I think this is like the Rebel Red color. It is a lot brighter than I thought, so I'm going to be dabbing it with my fingers. To finish off the look, I'm using the Milani Doing Setting Spray. And this is the final look of my everyday summer makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like I talk really fast in this video. I had way too much sugar today. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!